Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Okay, what we are discussing now? We are discussing our 9th class first chapter. What is that? Real number. Real number is nothing but it is a set of, or else you can say it is a combination of natural number, whole number, integer, rational and irrational numbers. Okay, in that we are completing the exercise 1.3. Today we are discussing in exercise 1.4. In that we are discussing the sixth one. What is that? Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominators. Okay, we need to find these values. We need to simplify these statements by what? By rationalizing the denominator. Okay, in this bit also we are completing the first one, second one and third one. Today we are discussing the fourth one. Okay, by what, ma'am? By doing the rationalizing that denominator. What is meant by rationalizing, ma'am? We are rationalizing nothing but we are taking the denominator. We have to multiply and divide with this denominator with opposite sign. Okay, we are taking the same number but opposite sign. Okay, let's see this question. We are completing the half, ma'am. Okay, today I am again explaining the from first. What is that? Given that 3 root 5, okay, 3 root 5 minus root 7 divided by 3 root 3 plus root 2, okay. Rationalize the denominator. What we have to do? We have to do the rationalizing that denominator, okay. We are taking the same as it is question, but we have to multiply and divide with this numerator but opposite sign, okay. Whatever number we have here in the numerator, we are taking the same number but opposite sign. Here plus is there, here I am taking the minus number. We are multiply and divide with same numerator but opposite sign. Okay, that one is completed, ma. What is that? Next step, we have to multiply the numerators and denominators with the help of brackets. Okay, 3 roots 5 minus root 7 I am taking as a one bracket, and second one is 3 root 3 minus root 2 is I am taking the second bracket. Means that we are multiplying the numerators in, we are writing the multiply the numerators, come to the denominator, same we are writing this with the help of brackets. 3 root 3 plus root 2, here 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay, up to that clear? Can you see the numerator? On the next step, what we have to do? We have to multiply it. Okay, first we have to check whether any formula is applicable here or not. When we apply the formulas, ma, when the value should be similar. Okay, when the value should be similar, then we can apply the any formula. Can you see the numerator? Is there any similar numbers? Here 3 root 5 minus root 7, it is both are different to each other. And the 3 root 3 minus root 2, it is also different number. Means the four numbers are different. Means that we cannot apply any formula on the numerator. Okay, what we have to do? We have to multiply the each number. Okay, we have to multiply each number with each other. Okay, ma'am. Come to the denominator. First we are multiplying the numerator, ma'am. First we have to deal with numerator, then we can come in the denominator. What we have to do? First we have to multiply the 3 root 3 with first number, then second number. Okay, 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. Okay, 3 root 5 into 3 root 3. Okay, I multiply here with the help of bracket. Can you understand, ma'am? 3 root 5 into 3 root 2, 3 root 3. Okay, up to that clear? Come to the next point. What we have to do? 3 root 5 we have to multiply the second number. What is that? Root 2. Okay, what is the sign, ma, behind of this? Plus is there, minus is there. Means the plus into minus is minus. I am writing here minus 3 root 5. Okay, 3 root 5 into root 2. 3 root 5 into root 2. Okay, come to the and multiply these two number with these two numbers, ma. This number with these two number. Okay, come to the second one. What is this second one number? We have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, what is the sign, ma? What here minus is there, here plus is there. Means that plus into minus is minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus. Means that root 7 into 3 root 3, root 7. Okay, root 7 into 3 root 3. Okay, up to that clear, ma? What we have to do? The second number we have to multiply with second number. What is the sign? Minus into minus is plus. Up to that clear, ma? Minus into minus is plus. Root 7 into root 2, root 7 into root 2. I am multiplying the last two number. What is the signs, ma? Signs is minus into minus. Means minus into minus is plus, and root 7 into root 2. Root 7 into root 2. Come to the denominator. We are multiplying the each number with each other. This is our answer. Come to the denominator. What is that mark? Can you see this denominator? The numbers, the AA and BB's number is similar. Means that we can apply the any formula here. Which formula? Let's see. 3 root 3 plus root 2, 3 root 3 minus root 2. This denominator, this expression can be in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equals to x square minus b square. Okay. We are because this AA value is equal, BB value is equal, but opposite sign is there. Means that we are multiply the denominator. This formula means that our expression is in the form of LHS. We have to convert into the RHS. Okay. What is that? What we have to do RHS? For converting the RHS, we have to do the a square. In place of a, we have 3 root 3. 3 root 3 whole square. Minus is as it is. I am writing here minus. What we have to do? B square. In place of b, we have root 2. Means that root 2 whole square. Up to that clear, ma? Okay. We are dealing with in numerator, no formula is applicable. That's why we are multiplying to each other. In denominator, we are using the formula. We are converting it to the array. That formula we have to apply and convert this expression up to this form. Okay, up to that clear? On the next step, what we have to do? Here, can you see this? First, 3 3 is there. Means 3 3 is 9. Okay. In each step, we are using this expression, exponent expression. What is that exponent formula? Root a into root b can be written as under root a into b. Okay, can you understand this formula? So many times we are using this formula, ma. What is it? Root 8 into root b. We can write it as root a into b. When we have the values in the root in separate, we are writing together. Okay, we are writing together these two number under root. Okay, means that the root 5 and root 3 is there. We can write it as root under root 5 into 3 means 5 3 is 15. Can you understand? We are applying this formula, ma. Okay. The whole value is 9 root 15. Okay, come to the next number. Minus is as it is. I am writing minus. 3 is as it is, my 3. What is the root a into b, nama? Root a into b means root under root a into b. Under root a into b means that 5 2 is 10. Okay, up to that clear? Minus 3 is as it is. Here also we are applying the same formula. Root a into root b means under root a into b means 3 7 is 21. Here also root a into root b means under root a into b means under root 7 into 2 means 7 2 is 14. Up to that clear? In denominator, each term is in the numerator, each term is applicable. Used to this formula, ma. With the help of this formula, we are converting the numerator as this form. Okay, come to the denominator. What will happen, ma? 3 root 3 is whole square, na, ma. This square is applicable for 3 also. This square is applicable for 3 root 3 also. Means that when we apply the root, when we apply this square to 3 means the 3 square means 3 square value is 9. Okay, 3 square value is 9. Okay, ma. This expression here, see here this, ma. The square will be the root 3 and square will be the root 3, ma. Okay, what will happen when we apply the square on both numbers? 3 square means 9. When we apply the root 3 square means the root square and root get cancelled means the 3. When 3 9s are 27. Here this is the process to find the square. Okay, I am writing the 9 3s are 27. Okay, here come to the next number, ma. Square and root get cancelled. What will happen? Only 2 number. Okay, remaining is 2. Okay, here up to that is clear, na, ma. I am writing the 3s. 9 3s are 27 minus 2. Okay, up to that clear? Here denominator is as it is. Here I am writing. Just see this value we are finding here. What we get? 27. Okay, 27 we get. On the next step, what will happen, ma? 27 minus 2 is 25, na, ma. Okay. The whole RHS is done. That thing, ma. This is as it is. 27 minus 2 is 25, ma. This is your answer. We cannot do anything with the numerator. That's why we are writing the 25 as it is. This is your answer. Okay, come to the next problem. Okay, up to we are solving this fourth one question, nama. We get the answer. Sixth one question is completed. Just you have to complete your notes till the sixth one question and submit in the group, ma. Okay, thank you. Today's class is completed. Thank you.